Welcome to another episode of our SQL tutorial series. Today, we are diving into the art of sorting data using the powerful SQL command, order by. This fundamental operation allows you to arrange your results in a meaningful way. Let's get started. The order by clause is like a magician's wand in SQL. It allows you to sort the result set based on one or more columns. Let's start with a basic example. The basic syntax goes like this. We start with basic select statement followed by required columns or fields. Then from statement followed by the table name from which we want to fetch the data. At last comes the order by statement which contain the column name and sort order. There are two types of sorting order: ascending and descending. Ascending order is default. For this we may or may not mention ACS. To sort in descending order, we need to mention DSC. Now let's see how it works. Now first let's take a look at our table. Name of our table is employee and it contains fields employee ID, last name, first name, title, birth date, join date, address, etc. The query is like this. Start with select, then for field names here we are using asterisk as we want to fetch all the columns. Followed by from table name, here it is employee table. Then order by last name. Here we are not mentioning ASC or DESC. Let's see what happens. When we execute the query, we find that the data has been sorted on the basis of last name in ascending order. So, we see that writing ASC is not mandatory in case of ascending order. But what if you want to reverse the order? That's where the DSC keyword comes into play. Now let's see how it works. Now we are sorting the same table in descending order of first name, so we apply DESC keyword. Let's execute the query. So, we can see that the data is now sorted in descending order of first name. Order by can also be applied to multiple columns. This sorts by the first column, and in case of ties, by the second column. Now let's try this. In our scenario, we will sort the data in ascending order of last name, descending order of first name, and descending order of birth date. So, here we are sorting the data on 3 criteria. Let's see what happens. Let's execute the query. You can see the data has been sorted accordingly. To understand, you can look at employee IDs 6 and 4. At first look at the last name field. It has been sorted in ascending order, Then the first names has been sorted by descending order, and at the end the birth date has been sorted by descending order. And that concludes our deep dive into order by. You now have a powerful tool for sorting data in SQL. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SQL insights. Please share your feedback and let me know if you want a video on any specific topic. Thank you for joining us in this SQL journey. Stay tuned for more tutorials and keep expanding your SQL skills. Happy querying!